everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shikha Prasad, lecturer of economics from the Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic change in demand. Change in demand is a very important part of the demand concept. So, let's continue to understand this topic, change in demand. When demand for a commodity increases or decreases due to change in other factors and price remains constant, it is called changes in demand. When the demand for commodity increases or decreases not due to the change in its price but due to the other factors and price remain constant, it is a situation of changes in demand. In this situation, here change in demand establish the relation of demand with all other factors of demand while it keep the price of that commodity constant. It means the function of dx is equals to function of px is not work here because price of that commodity remains constant and the relation of demand is directly established with the other factors determining demand. Here dx, that is price of commodity x, is a function of PR, that is price of related goods, may be substitute, may be complementary. Y, income of the consumer. T, taste and preference of the consumer. N, population. E, expected price, expected future price for the good. And YD, that is distribution of income. So, change in demand establish the relation of dx with all these factors, but it keeps the price of commodity x constant. Now let's move. Change in demand are of two types. First one, increase in demand, and the second one, that is decrease in demand. Now we learn about both the types of demand, changes in demand in this video. So let's move. Now, change in demand. Increase in demand is the first type of change in demand. So let's understand what is increase in demand. Increase in demand refers to increase in quantity demanded due to favorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climatic condition, etc. and price remains constant or unchanged. Now let's assume that the price of any commodity remains constant and there is increase in the quantity demanded. Then it is due to favorable changes in other factors. That factors may be taste, income of the consumer, climatic condition, etc. So we can just understand this concept with the help of this figure in which the price of that commodity is 60 rupees and the equilibrium quantity demanded in the market is 500 units. Now again we can see that the demand increases to 600 units but the price remain constant at rupees 60. Then how it happens that let's assume that when the taste of the consumer is in favor of that commodity, those consumer who are not consuming this commodity, their taste also changes and in favor of this commodity, then the quantity demanded in the market for that commodity also increases. It may also happen that the income of the consumer increases, so they start consuming more units when the price remains same. So it occurs in this situation when price remains constant and quantity demanded increases. Now the next one, the second type of change in demand, that is the decrease in demand. Decrease in demand refers to the decrease in quantity demanded due to unfavorable changes in other factors like taste, income of the consumer, climatic condition, etc. Price remains unchanged. Now, here in this situation, the quantity demanded of the commodity decreases in the market, but the price of that commodity remains constant, and this decrease is due to the unfavorable changes in other factors. Like, let's assume that the price of any commodity in the market is OP1. Consumer is consuming OQ1 amount at OP1 price at the demand curve D1. Now the income of the consumer decreases. At that situation, consumers start consuming less. Whatever the price in the market, the consumption of the consumer decreases due to decrease in the income. Then the demand curve will shift leftward and the new demand curve D2. Now in this situation, demand curve shift leftward, but the price remain constant and the quantity demanded decreases. This is the case of decrease in demand. Now let's understand both the topics of increase in demand and decrease in demand together to understand it clearly, that what is the difference between both the things. Now in the first diagram we just see that the original demand curve D1 moves rightward or shifts rightward, then price remains constant and demand curve shift rightward, and the consumer will move to the next demand curve and will demand more quantities in the market. That shows increase in quantity demand, increase in demand. The next situation is the decrease in demand, in which the original demand curve is D1 and price remains constant, but the consumer will shift to the new demand curve D2, that is leftward shift from the demand curve. It shows a decrease in demand, which means consumer is now consuming less amount of quantity and the quantity demanded decreases in the market at the same price. So in the increase in demand, there is a rightward shift of the demand curve, and in the decrease in demand, there is leftward shift in the demand curve. So here we just compare both the increase and decrease in demand. So here I conclude this topic that change in demand is a situation when the price remains constant and quantity demanded either increases or decreases, or the demand curve may move rightward or shift rightward, and the demand curve may shift leftward. Now thank you all of you for listening and watching this video.